Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is what? Hey Google, what date is it today?
It is Monday the 7th of December 2020.
There you go. As you guys have probably seen, I don't vlog every single day for Vlogmas just because some days there's just really nothing to do. Today it's Monday, it's my day off. I am pretty much just going to tidy up the place because yeah, it's been quite a busy few days for both my partner and I, so we haven't really been able to clean up. So I'm just going to tidy things up. He's out and about. I'm going to do a lot of like admin work, and then I'm also going to prepare my body for the Christmas holidays because yeah, it's gonna be a lot of food. And yeah, I just look, ever since I've lost the weight, I don't feel like I want to go back there. I wasn't in the best physical health and I wasn't in the best mental health as well, so I'm doing my best to just kind of like keep the weight off. I haven't actually gained, well actually I've gained 1 kilo since I've lost the 20 kilos, but it's all I think just muscle mass because, but anyway, if you guys want to see my story of how I lost the weight, I'll link the video on the screen. But yeah, I'm just going to reply to a couple of emails and then I'm going to prepare lunch. I'm just going to probably have eggs, some ham and maybe some rice. Yeah, I'm going very Asian with my lunch, and then tidy up the kitchen and then do a workout. Obviously, before I start, I need some caffeine. This is my second cup for the day. It's only 5 minutes to 12. I used to be really good at replying to emails. I used to be like very on the spot, like as soon as I get them I reply, but now I'm kind of like reserving it, like if I can wait, I'll wait until Monday because Monday is now like my admin day. Also, my partner's asked me if I can get or look for a phone holder for his phone in the car. Essentially we had one before, but that one broke. It was like one of those clip-on ones, like it had like a little spring mechanism thing that latched onto the phone, but that broke, and then we replaced it with a magnetic one, but that was for his old phone and you had to like sacrifice a case for that, so now we're kind of like, we don't really want that. We just want like one of those like clamp, there we go, clamps, spring thing. Okay, so literally I have been here at home the entire morning and I get this email from Australia Post. Let me just clean my phone. It's delivered. I haven't heard a knock on the door. Anyway, let's go see if it's left at the front door, otherwise we'll walk to the mailbox. I'm going to go back to replying to a couple of emails and then I'm going to start making lunch. Like I said, I'm just going to have like an omelette, maybe add some ham to it and have some rice with it because your Asian boy is craving some rice. And if everything goes well, we're going to have ramen from Ajisen. I was going to say Ichiran, we don't have Ichiran. I wish we had Ichiran here. Ajisen ramen. I just want ramen and I want gyoza, so we're going to have that for dinner, hopefully. Okay, so that's going to be my lunch. It's 1:42. Yeah, pretty late for lunch, but that's kind of like my normal lunch hour anyway. Like even when I'm at work, sometimes lunch is just a little bit late just because there's so many things to do. Anyway, this omelette nearly turned into scrambled eggs. I got to that point where, you know, where one side's like really cooked nicely, but you're not really sure if the center is not cooked yet, so you decide to flip it and it just kind of broke apart in the middle. So yeah, but anyway, I'm not really fast. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat this, then my partner should be home soon, and then I'm gonna do a little workout and I'll show you guys. Oh, by the way, I've tied my hair up because my fringe was getting annoying. Yum. Alright, so I've had lunch, just did a little bit of admin work and my partner's back home. Just had a little chat and now I'm getting ready to basically work out. So I'll show you guys what I've been doing. I mean, it's very simple stuff really, but I definitely feel like it's really helped like firm up my legs and the buttocks, which is what I really want to sort of like maintain. So this is the mat that I purchased I think a few weeks ago. So I don't know if you guys can see, but we have carpet, and I've been exercising without a mat for a few months now, and it was okay, but then, you know, after a while my knees started to hurt and I was starting to get a little bit of like carpet burn like on my knees and my elbows. So yeah, that just was not on. So I went to Rebel I think a few weeks ago and got this. So this one, I think I paid $30. There were like a lot more inexpensive options there, but this one seemed to have the right amount of thickness. And yeah, I feel like, you know, with something like this, it's going to be something I'm not going to purchase ever again if I can help it. So I thought I'll just spend a little bit more. So I think the cheapest they had was like a $10 one, and this one was $34. Could have gotten from Kmart, but yeah, I was at a Rebel store anyway, so grabbed this. I don't actually know what brand this is. And I think I've just discovered where my partner has hid my Christmas present. So he's just hid it under the lounge. He said he had received it a long time ago and he's just hid it somewhere in plain sight. Anyway, it's from this brand called Celsius. So yeah, just gonna roll this out and then start working out. Okay, so once that's done, I normally go on the exercise bike and I go anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes, just depending on my energy level. Normally I try and have a show playing or watch some music videos. Usually my go-to these days are like watching Jennifer Lopez or Beyonce music videos. I think with a lot of high energy, that way it keeps me concentrating on that instead of like how tired I am. So I've had this bike for 11 months, close to a year now. So I remember getting this around Christmas maybe, or like after Christmas, because I thought, you know, that was when I had that realization I kind of want to be healthier, want to lose some weight, but really like the diet was the one that actually really got me to the point I am now. But this is just good to just keep up for fitness level, cardio, that sort of thing, and just overall maintaining a healthier lifestyle. I could eat better these days, I know I should, but yeah, been using this. And honestly, closer to Christmas and like after the whole holiday feasts and stuff, I'm probably going to exercise a little bit more. Not because like New Year, new me, but it's something I've been wanting to do, like exercise more in general, because cycling does make me feel a lot better. I don't know, like there's studies about how exercising more actually improves your mental health and everything. So I'm going to do that, and yeah, just so I can also eat more, I suppose. Alright guys, so ordered dinner. So we got some ramen from Ajisen Ramen. I also got some gyoza. I'm just gonna get everything ready and bon appetit. So I think this is just the normal Ajisen Ramen. I ordered extra meat with mine. My partner has the same pretty much, but also an extra egg. And then when you order, you usually get the broth separate like that, because the noodles go soggy if you leave them in for too long. So I'm just gonna pour this in. Just give it a few minutes to kind of like soften up the noodles and then have dinner.
Poor baby. What kind of guys did you used to go out with?
Anyway,
Hey guys, so it is Saturday and I've just finished work and I'm vlogging on my phone, so if the audio and the visual quality just goes down, sorry about that. I forgot to pack my camera, and what I'm doing now is kind of like spur of the moment. I am going to go into the city, so I don't know if I just said that. I've just finished work and I am on my way to the city. I am going to get a haircut, grab a couple of things to redo my roots and also do my partner's hair. So I'm just at the platform. It's an open air platform, as you guys can see. Very, very clear skies. I mean, obviously you can see some clouds in the background, but it's not too bad. It's really nice and really sunny. I think it's like 23 degrees, so it's not too warm, and the breeze is just nice. So really looking forward to having a little bit of a stroll in the city. So I'm back home. As you guys can see, I've got a little clip. This is how I basically dry my hair these days. Usually my hair is like going that way, but to add a little bit of volume, I let it dry, air dry that way with just a clip. Yeah, just to hold it in place. So as you guys can tell, I couldn't get a haircut. I went to two of the hairdressers that I go to in the city, and unfortunately they were both really packed. So yeah, and I don't have any time next weekend, so I might just have to do it like the week of Christmas, but I'll try and get to the city like early, or like any hairdresser really, just try and get there early. And yeah, get it cut. Normally I just try and get like the sides really short and like maybe the center part trimmed these days. But anyway, I am going to make myself a coffee because I am really tired. Normally I start quite early on a Saturday, and I don't know why I just always feel very anxious before I go to bed, because I feel like I'm not going to wake up, so my sleep is always kind of broken, you know, and I kind of wake up like every hour, like from 5 o'clock onwards, so it's really annoying. Here's the other half of the pancit that I cooked. I think it was like the beginning of the week, or the end of last weekend, sorry. So yeah, I'm just going to take the lid off, because most of the time the lids, you can't really microwave them as well, as far as I know. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop... the lid fell. I'm going to pop on some cling wrap and then pop it into the microwave. I've had dinner, and dinner was delicious, and this is what my hair tends to look like after I've dried it. So again, I dried it that way first, then kind of like the rest of it dried this way, and yeah, like the ends are quite frizzy. That's fine. I'm going to be like styling it, heat styling it tomorrow before I head out. But yeah, this is how I kind of use as little heat as possible in my hair. I was gonna say something else. I'm sorry, my mind is gone. I'm like really sleepy. Yeah, I'm just gonna do some Instagram stories. I've got a couple of things that I wanted to show. I'm not gonna show it on here because I feel like it's like double handling and stuff. And also keep an eye out on my Instagram stories. I am going to be giving away a couple of makeup items. It's going to be an international giveaway, and yeah, it's just pretty much to say thank you to everyone that supported me. I've grown quite a lot over the year. Like, I did join a couple of giveaways, but still I'm really thankful to those that have stuck around and are supporting my content. And that is pretty much it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and definitely check out the description box down below for the Christmas Vlogmas playlist. I'll have it all linked there down below for you guys. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.